Good morning, everybody. In the previous classes, we had just read about a little of the oil seeds. So, here is a map which shows you some areas of oil seeds that only few are mentioned out here, but basically we call mustard, which is the most common oil which can be used throughout India. And here you can see the mustard seed is grown in Jammu Kashmir. You have Rajasthan, you have Assam area, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. You have areas of western part of Uttar Pradesh. Here you can see these are the major areas where mustard oil is being produced. Then you have a groundnut area. The groundnut area is shown this dash line. So groundnut, again you can see it is grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, some parts of Rajasthan, MP, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. So these are the areas where you find groundnut. And then you can see a light pinkish color. That means the full of central India and South India, and you can say leaving the mountainous region and desert area, you find the major areas of oil seeds. Means other oil seeds are also produced in this area. So when you write about the areas, you just have to mention the names without thinking. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So you don't require much memory to write these names. So in the previous class, we had studied about sugarcane also. Then we studied about the India's oil seeds. We say India's oil seeds. India is the largest producer of oil seeds. We had learnt about groundnut, mustard, soybean, linseed, castor oil, sunflower. It is also used in other products, that is, other than edible, it is used in cosmetics. You can say it is used in ointments. Now, first, one by one, very first, we take groundnuts. So, area of groundnuts, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Almost 85% of the national production comes from these states. So how many states are there? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra, means 5 states. 5 states produced 85% of the total production of groundnut oil. Groundnut It is a Kharif crop. Now we have Semen, Sesamum, known as till. It grows in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, are the major producers of semen. The major producers of semen. It is grown as a Kharif crops. It is grown as a Kharif crop in the northern part and as a Rabi crop in the southern part. It is grown in both the seasons, Kharif and Rabi. So in both season means one season it is grown in north and the other season a cropping pattern, we use the word Kharif cropping pattern and Rabi cropping pattern and Zaid. So it is grown in Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Castor seed. So it is Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, are major producer of castor seeds. Again, this crop also means castor. It is grown both as a Kharif and Rabi crop. So this can be grown in both times, means after the monsoon and when the seeds are grown in October to November and harvested in March, April. So see, the names of the states are being repeated again and again. So while writing these answers, you should not have any, you should not have much confusion ki what should be written. Their names are common. Mustard, major producers are Rajasthan, Uttar प्रदेश, हरियाणा, वेस्ट बंगाल, मध्य प्रदेश, it is grown mainly as a rabi crop. So means this is a crop that is grown during winter season. Linseed areas are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and Maharashtra are the major producers of linseeds. You have more sunflower, you have coconut also. Coconut grows in the coastal areas of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Different oil seeds are grown covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. So you can say that 12% of the land, agricultural land, is used for growing of oil seeds.